It's going to be a busy day today, guys. It's a little after 5 a.m. and I'm making my salsa. And then I got to clean out the pool because guess what? We are ramping up today. We have a chance of rain tomorrow, and then it looks like the faucet's going to turn off for the next week. At least that's what my weather app's saying. That could change. But we have an above ground pool, and with all this weather that we've had, it's blowing leaves in there, and it's blowing grass when we mow in there. And in order for us to keep it clean, I have to clean it probably at least once a week, if not more. So to do that, I'm going to use my Yousky rechargeable handheld vacuum. Guys, this is very important because these above ground pools really don't have a good way to clean the bottoms of them because the skimmers used to be on top and they're not anymore. So first I'm going to go ahead and get it charged up. It's very light, guys. Yeah. So let's get this charged up. The sun is coming up, guys. It's about 5:45. Boy, how I wish we didn't do daylight savings time, because that means it'd be about 4:45 and we could get so much more work done in the mornings. It's a beautiful sky, nice and breezy this morning, guys. Ooh, it's nice and cool. There's a little show for concern. Red sky and morn. Sailor take warn. Might not can see it really good through the camera, but it's a red sky, guys. And I know there's storms up to the northwest of us, but weather is saying they're gonna break up. Okay, so there's a little lip, a little catch here. Where that clicks on, has a very long extension pipe. We've charged it up. It comes with 2 nettings, guys, and this is very, very heavy duty. My goodness, you can see the rain has about made our pool overflow. But look, we got stuff on the bottom. We need to get that out because it will turn to algae and it will discolor our water. Let's see how this thing works. I'm gonna submerge it first. We're gonna turn it on. All right. You know what? It's working really great, guys. So I've turned the pump off on the pool because I really don't want to disturb what's on the bottom. So if you have an above ground pool, it's really hard. Like I said, the pools that we've had in the past had a skimmer on the top. You may still find them, but this one doesn't, which would stop a lot of the stuff from sinking to the bottom, especially after we mowed or after a storm. But this is gonna really save us a lot of money. We're not gonna have to hire anybody to come do the pool cleaning. Let's go over here and see if we can get this leaf. Oh yeah, and it's got a brush on it. So it's scraping the bottom as I do this. Let me change hands. Turn it around this way. So it was very easy to put together. This extension pole is going to help tremendously because I don't want to get in the pool and disturb it because then stuff on the bottom comes up. So yeah, it's working pretty good. Let's come over here. Yeah, this is going to be fantastic for us this year. This would also be good for an in-ground pool or a spa. Yeah, this is gonna help me a whole lot get this pool cleaned up pretty quick on the weekends when I want to use it. And it's weighted, so it stays on the bottom. And I had one last year, and it was kind of like new technology that they were coming out with these for the pools, and it wasn't weighted, and so it would it would float to the top and I would have to constantly apply pressure to it. So this one is weighted. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. So it's staying on the bottom of the pool. And it comes with a brush attachment too if you want to clean the side of your pool. Hear how quiet that is? So you can see all this stuff blows in here after those storms. And some of it's from our crepe myrtle, and that's why we moved the pool from where it was. Yeah, that's getting that good. Oh yeah, look at that. Because the crepe myrtle flowers would blow, and I was constantly cleaning out the pool up there. Oh, that sun's beating down. So every bit of this, guys, that you see would cause algae to grow and discolor my water within a week. So yeah, I'm excited to know I'm not gonna have to hire somebody to come out and clean my pool once a week. It's working really, really good. See all that it got? Look at this here. It did really well. So this is an 18-foot round pool. I, being short, was able to get to the middle barely, but with Greg, he could probably get to the middle quite easily with longer arms. So let's see. This was quite large enough to get the leaves. You can see right there, it picked up some leaves. So let's see what else it got. So look at what it picked up, guys. Some rather large leaves, a lot of that debris off the bottom. I would say it did very, very well. What do you think? So I'm gonna go clean out this, put it back on the charger. So would I recommend this, guys? You bet I would. This is great for any above ground pool, even your in-ground pools, your spas. I'm pretty impressed with it. I went in and washed out the bag, and I'm gonna put it on the charger so it'll be ready for me to clean probably again tomorrow, because I'll be doing some swimming here shortly. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link down below, so if you're interested, be sure and check it out. I think that you'll be impressed with it. See you guys later. Take care.